see these videos. These are AI-created videos, and the characters you're watching are also made using AI. Look at the character movement, expressions, and emotions. Everything looks smooth, clean, and professional. This is exactly the type of content people love to watch in YouTube Shorts. Now, today I will show you a 100% free tool that you can use to create these same AI videos step by step. No paid software, no editing skills, and no previous experience needed. Before we start creating, let me show you proof that this content works. Open YouTube and search for the channel name Cookie Stories. Now carefully watch the videos on this channel. Open them one by one and observe the details. Notice the AI characters, their facial expressions, their body movements, and how each short video tells a small story in just a few seconds. This channel is already monetized, which means this content follows YouTube rules. And if you look at the views, you will understand the potential. Many videos have millions of views. Some videos cross 10 million views, and some even reach 30 million plus views. This proves 3 important points. AI character shorts work. People enjoy watching this type of content. There is a big opportunity for new creators. Now let's start the process. First, choose any video you like from this channel. Select your favorite scene from that video and take a screenshot. This screenshot will help us in the next step. Once that is done, we are ready to move to the first step and start creating our own AI video shorts using a free tool. Let's begin. Now let's move to the first step. First, go to ChatGPT. After that, upload the image you selected earlier, the screenshot of your favorite scene. Once the image is uploaded, write this simple instruction. I want to create this type of video. Please give me a detailed prompt in 3D Pixar style, HD quality, and also add a consistent character prompt so the character looks the same in every video. Now press enter, wait for a few seconds, and boom, your prompt is ready. You will see multiple prompts generated for you. Go through them one by one. Notice the details: 3D Pixar-style visuals, high-quality HD description, consistent character appearance, clear scene and emotion explanation. All prompts look clean, professional, and well-structured. Overall, everything looks good and ready to use. Now, carefully copy the first prompt. Once copied, we are ready to move to the next step. Let's continue. Now let's move to step 2. Go to the website called Piclumen. This website is very good for creating AI character images. Once the website is open, paste the first prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, select the image ratio you want. For YouTube Shorts, you can select 9:16. Now click on Generate. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, your first AI character image is ready. Look at the image carefully. The character looks clean, detailed, and professional. The quality is high, and the style looks consistent. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste the second prompt into Piclumen, click Generate again, wait. Now the second image is also ready. Repeat this same process again and again. Copy the next prompt, paste it into Piclumen, click Generate, wait for the image. After some time, all your images will be ready. Now scroll down and look at the images one by one. You will notice the character looks the same in every image. Facial features are consistent. Outfit and style remain the same. Overall quality looks very good. Everything looks correct and ready to use. Now download all the images to your device. Once the images are downloaded, we are ready to move to the next step, converting images into video. Let's continue. Now let's move to step 3. Go to the website called Digen AI. This website is very powerful and amazing for creating AI videos. Here you can see that Digen AI provides daily free credits, around 300 characters, which means you can use it almost for free. Before creating our video, let me show you some example videos already uploaded on this website. Open the videos one by one. Look at the character movements, smooth animation, and emotional expressions. You can clearly see the quality is very good. If you like it, we are ready to continue. Now let's start creating our own video. First, upload the first image that you created using Piclumen. Next, go back to Piclumen, copy the same prompt you used for that image. Paste this prompt into Digen AI. Now click on Generate. After clicking Generate, wait around 5 to 10 minutes. Please be patient. And now, your first AI video is ready. Look at the result carefully. The character movement is smooth, the emotions look natural, and the overall video quality is excellent. Now repeat the same process. Upload the second image, copy the second prompt, paste it into Digen AI, click Generate. Wait, done. Now do the same for the third and fourth images. After some time, all your AI videos will be ready. Now open the videos one by one. You will notice same character consistency, smooth animation, clean motion, professional look. This tool works very well. Now download all the generated videos. Final step, editing and export. Using CapCut, very detailed. Now let's move to the final step, editing. Open CapCut. First, upload all the AI videos you downloaded from Digen AI. Arrange the clips in the correct story sequence on the timeline. Now click on the first video clip. If you see any logo or watermark, remove it carefully. Do the same for each video clip, one by one. This step is important to make your video look clean and professional. Once all logos are removed, play the full video from start to end. Check smooth transitions, correct sequence, no missing parts. Everything looks perfect. Now click on Export. Choose high resolution for best quality. Wait for the export to complete. And yes, your final AI video is now ready. High-quality visuals, consistent character, smooth animation. This is my first AI-created video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and support my channel, Smart Tech Studio. Thank you for watching.